Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You have Live Server installed and a browser ready. Start by opening your workspace and launching Live Server once. Once done, open Command Palette and choose Preferences. Open Settings, JSON, to edit user settings directly. This ensures changes apply globally. Make sure to save a copy of current settings before editing, because you will add a specific key for Live Server's default browser. This approach targets the exact setting rather than changing system defaults, so it's faster and reversible. Now you will set the browser that Live Server launches. Open Settings JSON and add Live Server. Settings, Custom Browser, Chrome for Chrome or use Firefox or Edge. This string tells Live Server which browser to call. If you need a specific executable or flags, add Live Server. Settings, Advanced Custom Browser CMD line with the full path and args. Save the file, close any running Live Server instances, then relaunch Live Server so your new preference takes effect and the correct browser opens immediately. Finish by testing. Stop Live Server, then start it again and watch the browser that opens. If Live Server still opens the system default, make sure you use the exact name Live Server expects or supply the full executable path via Advanced Custom Browser CMD line. This resolves many platform quirks. If problems persist, disable other extensions and verify your OS default isn't forcing a different app. One key troubleshooting tip: run VS Code as your normal user, not Elevated, because permissions sometimes block launching external apps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.